This video shows how to make transparent liquid soap production and non-transparent liquid soap production. And the three major chemicals for transparent liquid soap production are my Texapon and my SLS, which is rice, and my salt. So you can now add your perf and your color. And this transparent liquid soap production, I'm going to be making 15 liters of transparent liquid soap production. So the first thing that goes into the water is my Texapon. So it's my Texapon that goes into the water that I use as foundation. Then I mix it very well. So you have to mix it to avoid lumps. You have to mix it to avoid cocoa, like Yoruba used to say. So let's get started. You mix, you mix, you mix. You mix it, you mix it, you mix it until you see that there's no lumps, that is now liquid, totally liquid. So let's go. Never forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and share also. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. And the second chemical that will be going into the Texapon is my SLS. Some people usually put it, dilute it, or some people usually soak it into water, separate water, like little water, to dilute it and let it be liquid. But in this video, I made use of raw one, so I just combine it direct, straight into the Texapon. As you can see, there is no lumps. You can see it's not totally liquid. Like I said earlier on, that the second chemical that goes into the Texapon is my SLS. You call it rice. Then you mix very well. You mix. So as you can see, you mix. My SLS stand for, it can use for thickening and foaming. It's for thickening and foaming. You can see it's foaming already. It makes your liquid soap production foaming. Your soap will be foaming. So I have to separate it because the foam is too much for me to mix very well. So I have to separate it and divide it into two. Don't forget, I'm making use of 15 liters of water because I'm producing 15 liters of transparent liquid soap production. Mind you, this transparent liquid soap production is favorably used at home. It's for home use, homemade use liquid soap, because you cannot sell it outside. It's too liquid, as it is transparent, it's too watery. So the salt, I made use of little salt because salt always have effect on my foaming. Not only my foaming, generally on foaming. So it will make your liquid soap production foaming. So you have to avoid that. So I made use of little salt. Although my salt stand for thickening and preservation. So you can see my transparent liquid soap production. Look at it. It's very foamy. But people will not understand that it's foamy, but they want it out there thick. But this one is very okay for you to use in your house. In your house. So now to make my transparent liquid soap production thick, I made use of soda ash and my nitrosol. So now I want to dilute my soda ash in a separate water. I want to mix it. I want it to be liquid. So you know it's powder. So it's not liquid chemical. So I want it to be liquid chemical before combining it. So I have to mix it. I have to dilute it and soak it aside. As you can see, I have to mix it. I'm mixing already. Thank you for watching. Never forget to subscribe or like and comment. Not to like, you have to comment, please, and you have to like it. So now this is my natural soap that I'm mixing. On a normal day, my non-transparent liquid soap production, this nitrosol stands for foundation. You use it, is the first chemical, powder chemicals that goes into water. So it stands for your foundation, like to start your liquid soap production. So that is what I'm doing right now. I'm mixing it in a bowl in my water. So the water that I use is 5 liters of water that I put in this bowl now. 5 liters of water to start. So you have to mix, please. Don't forget, in your liquid soap production, you mix for the effectiveness. You mix. So you have to mix and mix and mix and mix. So now I'm mixing my natural salt, the first thickening agent that I bought. Then I will be adding my soda ash. This is my soda ash that I soak. You can see it has become liquid. So that is what I'm adding right now. Those are the two thickening agents that I bought. So you mix, you mix, you mix, you mix. Never forget, you continue mixing. You can see the result of the two chemicals that I used, my nitrosol and my soda ash. So now I'm adding my transparent liquid soap production. Then I mix. As you can see, oh my goodness, the foamy is wonderful. You can see it's very foamy. So now this is from my transparent liquid soap production to my non-transparent liquid soap production. So the next two things I'll be adding is my color and my perf. My color and my perf. And I didn't make use of 3 chemicals. Please kindly put it in comment section. The 3 chemicals I didn't put in my non-transparent liquid soap production. Thank you. Let us make it interactive. Please kindly put it there in the comment section. The 3 chemicals I didn't put in my non-transparent liquid soap production. As you can see, my color is here. I use lemon this time around. I use any color I like. So I use lemon this time around. Then I mix. Good. I mix. You can see. Then the last thing is my perf that goes into it. I normally make use of lemon. Almost every time I use lemon. So this is the result. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Kindly put it in the comment section. The 3 chemicals